Good morning, everyone. So, Anakulam was a success. Uh, we're leaving Munnar range and heading to Bodimettu viewpoint. From there, we'll head to Theni, and Theni to Bangalore, back to the national highways, leaving the fast corners behind. Look at those vast mountains. So I'm bypassing Munnar. It's a Saturday, there's too much traffic, and I wanted to ride the Gap Road, but I spoke with local jeep drivers, and they told me that because the school season has just started and the last of the tourists or the parents of kids, are utilizing this weekend, so it's like heavy traffic. And Munnar is in close proximity to hot areas of Tamil Nadu, and you have a large influx of tourists. So Gap Road also, the NH85, I think, or 58. That national highway, after the rains damaged the sidewalls, etc. There is construction work going on for both road widening and, how do I put it, repairs. So they suggested an alternate route towards Theni, Kajanapara, Pottan Kadu. Pottan means either dumb or crazy. Kadu is forest. Pottan Kadu, Kajanapara. Para is basically rock. So you have a lot of paras, places ending with paras in and around this area. So let's have a good ride. The loop roads you see are what will lead us to Theni from or Bodimettu, Bodimettu or Bodimettu. I think it's Bodhi and not Bodhi. Oof, what awesome place to ride in. The weather is getting hotter, but the view itself is. Also, I noticed when I'm blipping, the ninja sounds like angry. Like it's like, of course, that's a twin. Another chap with no clue on what to do in the Ghats. He's parked his car just after a corner. I think after Theni we won't have any more Ghat roads. So let's see how that goes. Oh, look at those vast mountains. Check out that auto rickshaw shaped like a helicopter. Anyway, our mountain rides, the corners have come to an end. I have got down from Bodimettu, Mettai,